In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage collaborative workspaces in Webflow by inviting team members, agencies, or freelance guests to join you. This process is essential for anyone looking to optimize their Webflow experience and streamline teamwork on various web projects. First, let's get started by opening Webflow. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to your workspace where you manage all your projects and settings. It's the hub of your Webflow activities, so becoming familiar with your workspace is crucial. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice several options. What we're interested in today is the Team section. By selecting Team, you'll access the area where you can manage your team members or invite new collaborators to your projects. This step is key to ensuring that everyone you need has the appropriate access. Now you have a couple of options depending on who you're inviting. You can either invite a member, or you can choose to invite agency or freelancer guests. Each option has its specifications, so let's go through what they entail. If you decide to invite a member, it's important to note that you will be responsible for paying for their seat. This means that their participation in your projects is covered by your plan, and they become a direct part of your team. Alternatively, if you're inviting an agency or guest freelancers, things work a bit differently. In this case, their seats will be paid for by their agency. This means you can collaborate without incurring additional costs directly, making it a more flexible arrangement if working with external partners. To invite an agency or freelancer guest, click on Invite Guest. Once you've done that, a new window will pop up, prompting you to input their email address. It's crucial here to ensure the email is correct, because this is how they'll receive their invitation. Also, you'll need to assign them a specific role. The role you choose will determine what kind of access they have to your projects, and it's important to align this with their responsibilities. After assigning their role, you'll have the option to select sites. A straightforward way to ensure they have the access they need is to click on Add to all existing sites. This feature automatically grants them access to all the current projects in your workspace, which can be a huge time saver. Finally, click to confirm your additions. And with that, you've successfully invited new participants to your workspace. This simple yet powerful tool in Webflow helps you coordinate efficiently across different parts of your projects, leveraging talent from within and outside your organization. Whether you're scaling your team, looking for specialized skills, or collaborating on large projects, knowing how to manage access in Webflow effectively is a game changer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide makes your Webflow experience smoother and more collaborative.